No internet on your bridge means your lights stop responding in the app, automations don't run, and remote control just disappears. On a Philips Hue bridge, this usually comes down to network path issues, cable, router, or assignment, not a hardware failure. You might see the bridge powered on, but the internet light isn't solid, or the app can't find it even though it worked before. This can happen after a router restart, a cable getting loose, or the bridge holding onto an old network configuration. Sometimes the router assigns a new setup and the bridge doesn't update immediately. Instead of guessing, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore the connection properly. 1. Check the Ethernet cable is firmly connected to both the bridge and router. 2. Restart your router and wait until internet is fully back. 3. Power cycle the bridge by unplugging it for about 30 seconds. 4. Ensure the internet light on the bridge turns solid. 5. Open the official Hue app and search for the bridge again. 6. Reset network settings on the bridge and reconnect.